Hello, people. So, this is my 15th review of the day, and I am reviewing this. It's called Adidas Body Shower Gel, you know, whatever, Pure Game, and it has something like Guaiac Wood. That's the name, whatever. So, the thing is, these certain body showers and gels and all that have been promoted by a sports company is you should understand that it will be slightly stronger than these very gentle baby bath products and all, because sports company is like after a sweaty game you need to wash it off with something strong. See, I'm smelling it, and it has that strong it hits you, it like punches you. So yeah, I would give it a 3-star rating, and if you are a sporty person, then it's worth it to take up to buy a product like this. But because it's Adidas and those are mostly shoes and all, it is expensive, right? So yeah, it's up to the you viewers to decide. But on the whole, yeah, if you are into sports, you should use this product. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.